see if I really can sing. So I took the time and looked like it really. My heaven knows it was my eyes. I took a drink. Well, I didn't know it was late all night. Started kissing everything inside. Well, kissing all that I felt it overnight. But my little bubble of love potion number 9. Love potion number 9. Love potion number 9. Love potion number 9. Thank you. French people here tonight.
This is a real fresh Cajun song in French. All the way from Louisiana.
J'ai quitté la maison, pas afraid, j'avais raison. J'avais dit, j'aurais jamais rêvé. Ça passait si longtemps, j'ai le besoin de mon côté. C'est là j'ai vu, j'avais fait un gros erreur. Quand je te rejoins ici la rue, avec un autre à ton côté, tu semblais si content et si heureux. Avec des larmes dans mes yeux, mon cœur aussi cassé, je savais, j'avais fait un gros erreur. Dans la clarté du soleil et la lumière de la lune, j'ai vu, mais ça m'était si heureuse. Avec des larmes dans mes yeux, mon cœur aussi cassé, je savais, j'avais fait un gros erreur. Okay, now we're going to do something completely different. This one's a little instrumental, which was written about 300 odd years ago. Over in Ireland, the Irish air. It's called Shiveximor, which I believe translates as Big Hill, Little Hill. Very much.
Have you enjoyed yourself so far? Thank you very much.
You didn't catch the name, we're called the Whiskey River Boys. That's the interweb as well.
Yeah, the interweb. All them newfangled interwebs.
something every now. 300 years ago to about 50 years ago. Not quite 50.
You've all been on the beach yet? Been on the beach, you're good. You can go down there after now. Some ice cream and candy puff.
Go get sand between your toes. It was a teenage wedding and the old folks wished them well. But you could see the Pierre, the two of the mademoiselle. And now the young was hearing the damn around the chapel bell. Say, I miss the old folks, don't show you never can tell. The brother's coming from mama with a 2-hour rowboat sail. The raven was crying, but see the difference in chains or rail. But when the young man heard the little mama coming with her well, said, I listen to the old folks, don't show you never can tell. Yeah. Say la vie, say la vie, oh wow. Say la vie, you know you never can tell. C'est la vie, c'est la vie, c'est la vie, you know you never can tell. And a high five for a boy with a lily glass. There's every little records all rock, rhythm and jazz. But when the sun went down, the river temple was an easy fair. Said, let me say to the old folks, you gotta show you never can tell. Said, I did it.
Ouais, c'est vraiment
Deux croissants, s'il vous plaît. They had a sick till it was a Terry Dick 53. They took it down to New Orleans to celebrate the anniversary. It was hell after yell, who's getting to the mademoiselle.
Oh, ain't shit happening.
Say what they say to the old folks,
Don't show you never can tell.
it was a teenage wedding and the old folks wished them well. You could see the Pierre to the love mademoiselle. Now the young ones hearing down for the chapel bell. Say, let me say to the old folks,
Don't show you never can tell.
say, let me say to the old folks, don't show you never can tell. Say, let me say to the old folks, don't show you never can tell. Oh, I saw that nasty guy, a real dangerous type. Well, the shark has pretty teeth, dear, and it shows them early white. Just a jackknife, as old man Keith evening, and it keeps it way out of sight. But when the sun bites with his teeth, dear, from the pillow, you know they start to spread. Fancy gloves with old McEvening, so there's never a trace of red. We're on the sidewalk Sunday morning, yeah, there's a body just losing life. Someone digging around the corner. Could it be? I think it is. It's back tonight. Tugboat, that part of the river, don't you know? That's a tugboat with it. As I sit there back there to drop them down, there's some man stand just for the wait child, yes, yes. Mark is your 10, back is back in town. And you will never know where he disappeared.
I don't care.
After throwing out all his cash, like he says, just like a sailor. Woo, so crash. Child, that back in town. What's around back in town? Okay, we got a couple more numbers for you. This one is one that's written by Nick and Keith. You know who they are. I don't know. Brian McKeith. All right. Tired of living. It's easy to do. That you wanted, I bought them for you. Graceless lady, you know who I am. You know I get you. Wild horses couldn't drag me away. Wild, wild made famous way back in the late 50s by Marty Robbins and also by Frankie Lane. And probably a few other people as well.
Yeah.
And on this, Aidan plays an astounding array of instruments. So can we hear it, please, on all the astounding instruments? Mr. Aidan Sheehan.
And can we also hear it on the astounding guitar and vocals, Mr. Martin Blake. Relatively, we are Wishing You the Boys. Come and see us one day again.
Okay, and this one has got a chorus. I would like you to join in with it. It's not that difficult. All you have to remember is your alphabet. A comes before O. This is a ghost story.
Yeah, ready?
Is it written by Clint Eastwood?
Good Paul.
Well, don't count what we might now, but probably days.
Yeah!
Ordering he rested as he went on his way. But all at once in my head, a black house he saw. Like it's sky, and up a cloud draw. As the riders looked up by him, he heard one call his name.
Martin, come here.
Do you want to save your soul from hell right now and range? Then come on, take your wings, play with us, you will ride. Torment, devil's love, across these endless skies. Yippee-yi-yi, yippee-yi-yi-oh. Ghosts rise in the sky. Yippee-yi-yi, yippee-yi-yi-oh. Ghosts rise in the sky. Ghost riders in the sky. Ghost riders.